Hi everyone! Today I'd like to share how I made this new version of heart frame chain bracelet. First, fold all the 4 strings in half and set them up as shown here. Use the chain string and make 1 lark head knot onto the center of all the 3 strings. The 2 heart strings are crossed in the center so that each color stays on one side. Take the chain string on the right side and make 6 backward-forward knots onto all the other 3 strings. Take the chain string on the left side and make 6 forward-backward knots. Form a loop and attach it firmly onto the working surface. The order of the strings will be from the right side: gray, coral, red, red, pink, pink, coral, and gray. Before making the first heart, make 1 more forward-backward knot onto the left side using the chain string. This is just a one-time step and will not repeat after this. Now we make the first heart. Take the red string in the center and make 2 double forward knots onto the red and coral strings. Use the same red string and make 1 forward-backward knot onto the chain string. Now we connect both sides. Take the red string in the center and make 3 double backward knots onto 2 pink strings and 1 coral string. Use the same red string and make one backward-forward knot onto the chain string on the left. Now, take the coral string, the third one from the right, and make 3 double backward knots onto 2 pink and 1 coral string. Take the red string, second string from the right, and make 1 double backward knot onto the pink string. Use the same red string and make 1 backward-forward knot onto the pink string. Take the gray string on the right and make 1 backward-forward knot onto the pink string. Take the red string, the third string from the right, and make 1 double forward knot onto the pink string on the right. Use the same red string and make 1 forward backward knot onto the chain string on the right. Take the right coral string in the center and make 2 double forward knots onto 2 pink strings. Take the right red string, second one from the right, and make 1 double backward knot onto the coral string. Take the left red string, second one from the left, and make 4 double forward knots to close the heart. Now we make the chain part. Take the gray string on the right and make 5 backward-forward knots onto 2 red and 1 coral strings. Now take the left gray string and make 5 forward backward knots onto 2 pink and 1 coral strings. Now we make the second heart. The center pink string makes 2 double backward knots and 1 backward forward knot. Use the center pink string and make 3 double forward knots and 1 forward backward knot to connect both sides. The coral string on the left makes 3 double forward knots. The left pink string makes 1 double forward knot and 1 forward backward knot. The left chain string makes 1 forward backward knot. Take the pink string and make 1 double backward knot and 1 backward forward knot. Take the left coral string and make 2 double backward knots. Take the pink string on the left and make 1 double forward knot. Take the pink string on the right and make 4 double backward knots to close the heart. Take the gray string on the right and make 5 backward forward knots onto 2 red and 1 coral strings. Take the gray string on the left and make 5 forward backward knots onto 2 pink and 1 coral strings. Now, 1 full round is finished. Start again from making the first heart and repeat the steps. After making the last heart, divide the 8 strings into 2 and make 2 twist braids. Finish both braids with overhand knots. Cut the excessive strings and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.